And then you can place them here. Anyone with still beginners accessories? Accessories. Yes. Okay. Now we go to phase 2. You're going to be issued some containers, and I'm going to guide you through how you're going to do about them. Sorry. Sam, we're waiting for you. You can open slightly the containers. So we are going to see how those modules, when they are well powered and they have some data, how they really work. We can resume the next stage. Depending on you can just open them slowly because they are connected. Open them slowly, kindly. Just slowly. And then there's a power cable inside. Are we together? There's a power cable inside, which you're going to use the SB port. And you find, you get the Arduino. I want you to power the Arduino. The Arduino is inside. It's here. I want you to power the Arduino. You can use this. Yes, I'm trying to check. Check on that connection. There's the circuit. Let me open the circuit diagram. So there are groups which have this circuit. You have it for BME 280. Is it powered? It's not. Either of these two cables, you can check the one which is having the grounding and the VCC. Either of them too. You can try any of them. Yes. And the fan should be running.
Change the position.
Yeah, you can swipe. It's on.
Let me do it.
Try and put it. You can check out the potentiometer. Next. Addition. In between grounding and the 5 volts, you check either of the two. Try to swap. This is the power. No, you can try either. It's already running the fan. Okay. Try and adjust this. Interchange these cables. Yes. Okay. Let's check. Let us check. Yeah, interchange it back. Okay. Is the reset button here? Try to adjust this. It's back. Do you have temperature? Do you have humidity? Is it working? So that is the circuit. Is it working? Yes. It has a provisional fan to keep the air well circulating. How is the temperature? How is the attitude? We are just using Arduino to get those measurements. And if you are using a BME 280, it's giving you a very accurate data. If you are using a if you are using a PM 2.5 sensor, PM10 is giving you a bit. PM10 is a bit high because plant towers are not very good with PM10. You can check on that. The fans should be running inside the containers. Guys, are you okay? Do you have a working sensor? It's not working. Why? Why is it not working? He loves a lot of Arduino. Everyone has a display, right? So we have groups. The sensor which I have here at the front, it's well ventilated. It is IP66 waterproof. You can keep it at the outdoor. You can collect data at your own convenience. It's working very well. And you can use the same materials to do that. So we are going to sustain those items in your tables, and then we got the other stage. Right? So we are going to check on how we achieve communications with Arduino, and I'm going to use my phone, my laptop, and it's going to display on the LCD. So okay. So we are going the second phase. We are going, not the second phase, the third phase. We are going the third phase. We see how we generate the codes. Well, for those who don't know how to look for the code, I'll show you some few shortcuts. Those who have a problem with Python, using Python, for some few shillings online, you'll get what you really need. And now we can proceed. Make sure your sensors are well working and you're well seated. I can see there's a group which is maybe, I don't know if they're having a campaign for air quality. You can take some few photos with you. With Arduino, it's very affordable in the market. You can convert Arduino. I'll show you the way. This sensor, I choose not to use an LCD because I'm going to put it somewhere where I don't need to reach it. So I'll only reach it whenever I just want to come and collect data. So what this item does, the green LED gives you an indication that sensor is working, right? Green means you go. The blue one, it's an initial that data is being saved inside the SD. Any given time it blinks, it shows that data has been sent successfully. So on this enclosure, I'm doing the same BME 280 sensor, and then the measurements of the parameters, I'm using attitude, humidity for those sensors that you're having, and we'll check how can I check if the data is being saved through my computer. So right away we do it. So I need your attention, all of you. So I'm going to open an ID software whereby you can do a small setup with Arduino, and it's a good setup. You can try it. It really works. So the first thing you're going to meet in that software, you're going to meet a blank page. That is what you're going to find. And Arduino, as I told you, it's more of like a small computer. You just tell it what to write, what to record, how to collect data. I want you to, you get inside the IDE code, right? Most of them, they call it Java code. Yes, it's Java code. The nature of the language of the code. So what you do, you need a sequence, you need a provision, you need libraries. How do you reach the libraries? Where are they? So we're going the first step on the tools. We're going to check on the manage libraries. It's going to open.